Have you ever felt like your health concerns weren't being fully addressed? Like you were just another number in a long line of patients? At today's Integrative Health in Rockville, Maryland, we believe there's a better way. Hi, I'm Dr. LJ Leo, and I am extremely excited to introduce you to our unique approach to healthcare that's changing lives every day. At today's Integrative Health, we blend the best of integrative and functional medicine to provide personalized care that treats you as a whole person, not just a set of symptoms. Specifically for our patients over 40, we understand that your health needs are unique. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of services tailored for just you. For example, functional medicine. We dig deep to find the root cause of your health issues. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, helping you feel vibrant and balanced. Chiropractic care for all those nagging aches and pains you get. IV therapy, boosting your energy and immune system. For those who want weight loss, we have weight loss programs customized to your body and lifestyle. At today's Integrative Health, we're not just treating symptoms, we're partnering with you on your journey to optimal health. Ready to experience healthcare that's truly personalized? Visit us today at today'sintegrativehealth.com or give us a call at 301-770-6650 to schedule your consultation.